So I'll flip over there. Hey everybody, welcome back to KubeCon, live from the Rancher booth. I'm here with Amit from Tigera. How are you doing today?
Very good, Jason.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
how's your conference going so far?
It's fabulous. It's great. We had our first day zero event yesterday, KubeCon. We had some great interest from people. We did a full day of hands-on labs. So really a good start for the conference.
That's awesome. So as far as KubeCon goes, what's exciting that you've seen, or what do you hope to see in another talk?
Well, I mean, the most exciting part is really what we're seeing here. I mean, look at how KubeCon has grown to 12,000 people now. It's great to see the mainstream enterprise deployment. We're very excited about that part. So really looking forward to a bunch of things here.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize how busy it was in here until I walked outside.
I know.
And how quiet it was. I walked back in, and the only thing louder is the jet noise. So,
yes.
So what's new with Tigera?
So Tigera, I mean, we made a couple of new announcements this week. We announced our new release for our Calico Enterprise product. Okay. And fundamentally, if you look at how people do network security, we provide a easy way to automate your network security as part of your application deployment. So just like you deploy your application in an automated fashion in a CI/CD pipeline, we've added a whole bunch of new capabilities that will allow enterprises to now deploy their application with the infrastructure and the policy all in an automated fashion. So that's great. We've added new capabilities around advanced threat defense as well. We have simplified the installation process. So Operator Framework is the most standard framework now. So now Calico Enterprise could be deployed through an Operator Framework across all platforms, including branching.
Awesome. That's really cool. So speak a little bit to for enterprises looking to adopt Kubernetes, what do they get when you combine like Kubernetes, Rancher, and Tigera products?
Absolutely. So, Jason, one of the key things that enterprises are looking for is when they deploy their Kubernetes infrastructure, they can work with their rest of their enterprise network. While they're retooling their Kubernetes infrastructure, they're not going to redo their enterprise networking. So that's one key aspect they get is when they deploy a Rancher cluster, it comes with Calico, you get the BGP networking, and you can make sure that your clusters can peer with the rest of the enterprise network. So that's the first part. The second aspect is incorporating network security there, and that's critical for them because if you think about a big monolith application that you have decomposed into 200 or 300 microservices, so the procedural calls that were happening in the application are now happening as API calls on the network. You got a much bigger attack surface to manage. And that's fundamentally another set of things that our Calico users will get from Rancher, between Rancher and Calico. And the last but not the least, our enterprise product that integrates natively with Rancher gives our users deep visibility inside their clusters, some pre-built compliance reports so that they know exactly that their regulated controls are being enforced inside the clusters.
Yeah, and that's really important, is that not just implementing controls, but being able to prove that your controls are implemented.
Exactly. So like all the inventory reports that you need to be able to prove to your auditors that you did have all the right controls in place.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you for sharing. It's nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for having me.
Live from KubeCon, we'll see you in the next one.